folks, Lee Farnell here. Look, I want to show you a video, a testimonial. I went to see a fellow who had bought my MP3s, not even the Online Learning Academy, not even the videos, although he has now. The impact it's made to his business, it blew me away. As I said, it's the very reason I do this kind of work is when I put the tools for sales, service, leadership into the hands of keen, hungry students. Wow, magic happens. So what's this? It's just a great example of why. What do we say? Give a man a fish, feed him for one day, teach him to fish, feed him for a lifetime. Look at this. Here is an example of feeding someone information and tools, and he's implemented them, and watch the difference it's made. Fantastic. As I say, makes me feel like a warm, happy old uncle. Old, well come on, not that old. Have a look at this.
Craig Drinnan from Welding Solutions, Managing Director. I was looking around on the website and I was looking to learn more about sales and refine my skills, and you came up. I bought the super secret sales systems, the audio CDs of 6 CDs, and I listened to them in the car and on the way home, and it's really helped me with my sales training. We're probably 50% better. We've improved. Probably learning the science of selling, closing the sale, lead generation, and discipline of sales as well. Probably another $1 million, I would say.
Whoa!
Yeah, within the 6 months. Yeah, I categorise by priorities and A's to B's, the important and urgent. And then I do the A's first and follow through, and I try and make time for sales as well, which is trying to make that a priority. Probably made me more efficient with my time, and it's been a lot better results for the business as well. I'd say go for it, yeah, it's money well spent. You'll definitely see the results in your business, short and long term. Thank you.